Today is our day one of the kids' summer camp. Around 8, the children came in, they registered, and it was so wonderful. The kids were so happy to be here, their parents were happy, having trust that they are keeping the kids in good hands. And by 9, the classes started: robotics, Python programming, web design, game dev, and so on. I'm one of the Scratch instructors, and it was fun teaching the students on how to handle their Scratch environment, on the definition and what they can use Scratch for. So after the classes are rounded up, the kids still have more time to have fun, playing games with their friends, games like table tennis, basketball, Scrabbles, name them. They were all happy, having fun. I'd love to see you tomorrow again.